My name is Flurry Summers. I've always loved jewelry and the history of jewelry, but my real journey began some 25 years ago when the clasp pulled off a crystal necklace. I took it to a bench jeweler I'd used for other repairs, but when it was returned, I saw something I hadn't even realized I'd known. Without knots between the crystals, they'd rub against one another and the beads would be scratched. The repair was unacceptable. The jeweler was huffy about redoing the necklace, and I had the then really startling thought that I could do this, that I could learn to string beads and pearls. My first step was class in stringing pearls and beads. The class began and ended with using crimps. Important knowledge, of course, but very limited. I then found my way to the Gemological Institute of America, which back then offered a course in pearl and bead stringing. I took the course and was hooked. I went on to take most of the courses required for a degree as a graduate gemologist and also earned the pearl certification from GIA. My undergraduate degree is from Columbia and my master's is from Northwestern. Simultaneously, I began to learn metalsmithing. I took local courses in gem setting, molding, casting, and soldering. I also studied at the Richmond Institute and took a number of courses at the Revere Institute in San Francisco. All of this opened my eyes to the wonderful work being done today by metalsmiths and pearl and bead stringers, and I opened a small gallery in Houston to show studio jewelry. The gallery grew and I moved it to a larger space. While operating the gallery, I discovered there was a demand for a pearl and bead stringing course, a real one, not one that stopped short with crimps or one that failed to teach the more complex finishing techniques. The professional pearl and bead stringing course is built directly upon that gallery course, which I taught dozens of times and for which I charged $300. In this course, you'll learn how to string pearls and beads professionally. Obviously, you don't have to monetize your new skills, but you may be sure they are professional. You'll create 3 progressively more complex necklaces. The projects are structured so that the skills taught in one project are incorporated and built upon in the next. I also teach some gemology so you can answer commonly asked questions from clients. Bear in mind, this is a skills class, not a design class, although hopefully you will develop some design ideas. For me, manufacturing jewelry and knowing as much as I can about it is a never-ending source of pleasure. I wish the same for you.